All right, mate, come along here and away you go. That's it.
Rock hopping in the Kimberley.
Keep going, mate.
You know, handhelds are pretty important when it comes to communication in the bush. And there's no doubt about it, you got to have something that's pretty tough and rugged. Because, you know, if you have a look at this radio, it's been dropped and thrown in the mud for the last 6 weeks. Now, they're great and they're good to use, but they have to be rugged. And that's the one thing about the Uniden radio. She is a rugged little unit. It's 5 watts, okay, so it's got some serious distance. It can communicate quite easily with the in-car, okay, and you got that distance when you're going to, you know, handheld to handheld.
Mirror?
Simon definitely put it through its paces.
Steady, steady, steady. Oh, dropped my radio somewhere.
Oh no!
When you were going backwards before that tree went to hook on, so I jumped in and grabbed the tree so I didn't hook on your awning, and it flicked my radio off when I was ground and you ran over it. It's still working.
Still working.
Grabbed the tree, my radio's got on the ground, I didn't know, and then I've got rid of the tree, and it's like, yeah, stop Jess, oh, where's my radio? I go back and I find my radio, and he'd run completely over it with his tyre. I had to like pick it out of the ground, and it's still on 30. I've lost my clip, it's still working fine.
How good's that, mate? Uniden, it's very rugged and it's reliable communication in the bush. And mate, don't leave home without it.